Pinakilala na ni Vivo si Vivo V30, isang smartphone na may 5G connectivity. Sa ngayon, hindi pa available ang official price niya, pero malapit na siya dumating sa Philippines. Tara guys, kilalanin na natin ang smartphone na to. Meron itong 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 1260 by 2800 pixel resolution. May 120Hz refresh rate with 2800 nits peak of brightness at meron siyang Shot Alpha screen protection. Ang Vivo V30 ay may operating system na FunTouch OS 14 based on Android 14 with Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 4nm chipset na may Adreno 720 na GPU. Ang smartphone na to ay may 8 or 12GB of RAM with 128, 256 or 512GB UFS 2.2 internal storage at ito ay non-expandable. Ang Vivo V30 ay may dual rear camera setup with 50MP OmniVision OV50e main camera with OIS plus 50MP ultra-wide camera with ring LED flash, HDR and panorama. At kaya nito mag-record ng video up to 4K at 30fps. At meron siyang 50MP selfie camera with dual LED flash and HDR at may 1080p at 30fps video recording. Kanya naman battery, meron siyang 5000 mAh battery capacity with 80W flash charge. Sa security, meron siyang under-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock at meron siyang single loudspeaker with high-res audio. Sa dimensions, meron siyang 164.4 by 75.1 by 7.5mm at may timbang na 186 grams with IP54 dust and splash resistance. At ito ay may dual SIM. Connectivity, meron siyang 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, UJSS, BDS, NFC, OTG, and USB Type-C. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang bidyong ito, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, like at i-click ang notification bell. Maraming salamat! Peace!